this and no drama. Me make me girl be that banana. Baby miss she know them policy. After 9 o'clock.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, where's the scene? So in this video I am going to show you all the things that I use to make my apple cider vinegar mix. So firstly, I use apple cider vinegar. I have a spray bottle. I am also going to use a measuring cup, tea tree oil, and black castor oil. I also have a glass of water so that I can dilute the entire mix, and we could stretch it a bit so we can use it for our hair. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I, Deandra Ferguson, upload another video. Now that we have all those things cleared out of the way, let's get straight into making this mix. So firstly, I have my apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to use a tablespoon to pour the apple cider vinegar into the measuring cup. So I used about 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to pour into the measuring cup. And as you can see here, the apple cider vinegar reached at the first point of the measuring cup, which is a quarter. That is how much apple cider vinegar you would need for this mix. Now I am going to use my oils. So the first oil I'm going to use is tea tree oil, and I'm just going to use a few drops into the apple cider vinegar. Following up, I am going to use the black castor oil, and I'm going to put a few drops into the apple cider vinegar as well, and I am going to mix it with the tablespoon. Now just for clarification, I do realize that I have 2 tea tree bottles there, but I have placed the black castor oil inside of one of the tea tree bottles, so that for the purpose of this video I will be able to place the black castor oil into the apple cider vinegar properly. Once we have finished mixing the oils within the apple cider vinegar, we are going to take that same little mix that we made and place it into our spray bottle. So that is what I'm going to do there. So I'm going to take the spray bottle, open it, and take my measuring cup and pour that apple cider vinegar mix into the spray bottle. So some benefits of using apple cider vinegar in your hair is it promotes hair growth, it increases curl definition, it also moisturizes your hair, and it also cleanses your scalp and exfoliates it to increase blood flow throughout your scalp. So now that we have poured our little apple cider vinegar mix into our spray bottle, we are just going to dilute that apple cider vinegar with water. The reason why we dilute it with water is because apple cider vinegar contains an acid called acetic acid. Now, acetic acid maintains the sour smell and taste of apple cider vinegar. So this is the main reason why we dilute the apple cider vinegar with water, because the acetic acid is very strong. So we give that a little shake, and that's about it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video.
Me make me girl be that banana. Baby miss, she know them policy. After 9